what has price created? Price has created a third retracement candle. So in other words, we expected the second retracement candle to be the end of the correction candle, but it wasn't. In other words, it was a fake out, right? What it's doing now is creating a third retracement candle. So what do? We simply just adjust our fib, right? Remember, our fib was here the first time. We adjust our fib is now here. So simply we keep adjusting up until the point where price on the daily time frame breaks our support or resistance area, depending if you're buying or selling. As you can see, we've just got a third retracement candle, hasn't actually broken out the first one, right? And again, even if it does break out the first one, I still have this one in order for price to come back to. But ideally, I don't want it to come back to this one. I want it to come back to this one, because this is actually the last structural zone that it did break past. So I'm hoping that it holds in this area, right? Now with this setup, as we keep moving our fib lower, as you can see, our TP is also going higher and higher into that monthly resistance area, which is something I don't like. So we're still below midpoint, or nowhere near enough midpoint of that resistance area, right? So we're still good for now. As I said, you can buy and sell into those areas, just be careful. Now in this case, if you guys can see, hold on, let me put this back towards the back, center back, so you can see the candles, right? Now remember what I said about where you know, several different colored candles on the way up, as if it goes to break the 61.8. This is what I mean. So from the very point of the low point of the fib, we've got a white candle, we've got a blue candle, white candle. So you can see now we're starting to get several different colored candles as it goes to break the 61.8. That is pure structure, right? And as you can see, price is now creating lower lows again. No problem, we adjust our fib. It hasn't broken out of that area on the daily time frame, right? We adjust our fib again. Now this is the very low point of this area. What color candle is that? That's another blue candle. That's a white candle. So now it's creating structure, right? We adjust our fib here. It's creating lower lows. I'm going to adjust my fib again, go to the daily time frame. You see how it's still creating that correction candle? No problem. Technically this daily candle hasn't closed yet, which is fine. Now it's broken to this area, no problem, right? More correction candles. So in other words, since it's broken this first one, I'm going to get rid of that one, because now it seems like it wants to hold in this area.